Color palettes are a range or set of colors that have been selected for a particular project, brand, or set of designs. Each color is intentional to the set, and the overall set of colors provide a glimpse into the aesthetic of the product or interface. Creating or choosing a color palette can be really tricky. Color is challenging and sometimes requires an experienced eye. So, how do you create a color palette if you're not so gifted with color? Let's talk through a couple of guidelines on creating a color palette. First, choose a color harmony and iterate on individual colors. Color harmonies are like the building blocks of a color palette. It's kind of like a template of colors that we know play well with each other. Some easy and common color harmonies are complementary, which are colors opposite on the color wheel, analogous, which are colors next to each other on the color wheel, and monochromatic, which are tones and shades of a single hue. So for example, let's choose the analogous color harmony as our template. Switch colors in and out to see how they work and look together until you get a winning combination. You won't get this right on the first time. It takes some iteration. Next, limit your palette to 3 colors. A small number of colors reinforces the visual hierarchy and contrast because there is less for users to consider and get distracted by. Less is more. And finally, follow your brand's color guidelines. If your brand has established color guidelines, follow them. There will be fewer colors to overwhelm you, and more importantly, this will create a strong and consistent brand experience. If you don't have brand color guidelines, look at colors used in existing designs and products, and try incorporating them in your palette. Choosing a color palette doesn't have to be a daunting task. Take it step by step. Choose a color harmony and iterate your colors. Stick to 3 colors and follow your brand color guidelines. See how the colors play out in the design and reiterate the palette if you need to. And remember, appropriate color use should increase usability.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at this over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, ngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live hands-on UX training.